Hi Trisha, what plans for 14th February?
I think 14th Feb is just a date for me, so I'd probably do something solo.
It's not a bad idea. I think it's very important for people to understand the importance of self-love and self-care and to prioritize themselves no matter if it's Valentine's Day or not.
How about we ask people on campus what their take on this is?
Yeah, let's go around Jindal and ask our fellow friends and students what their take on self-love on Valentine's Day is. Let's go.
Do you think it's important to practice self-love on a day which is so focused around romantic love, even if you have a partner or not?
Yes, I do think that self-care is important, especially on Valentine's Day when you are scrolling through your feed and you see tens and billions of things that people are doing for each other and you want to feel special as well. So I think especially on Valentine's Day, you should take care of yourself with a little extra love.
Yeah, I agree. I think self-love is really important.
Obviously, I think so. Self-love is more important than prioritizing romantic partners, and focusing on yourself makes you happy.
It is obviously very important. I mean, I'm single, so yeah.
Yeah, of course. I think self-love should be practiced every day, right? So even on Valentine's Day, why not?
I guess it's important to prioritize oneself on Valentine's because self-care should not be done just on Valentine's. It should be regardless of that.
Yes, it's important to practice self-love. If you don't have partner, also works, and
If you have a partner, then
also works.
Yeah.
Everyone should give importance to self-love, and it is something I do believe in.
Self-love, I think another way of saying it would be self-worth. So I think on a day which is just dedicated to romantic love and like something celebrated with a partner, and in case you don't have one, I think it's a lot of people tend to, might think that, just because they don't have a romantic partner that maybe they're not worthy of love or whatever. But I think that love comes in many shapes and forms. There's no single definition of love. So just to, just say that just because I don't have a romantic partner, I'm not worthy of love is, just downplaying love in itself. So I think that you should not attach your worth with whether you have a partner or not, but actually see that, love is in different forms and it might be right around you. Who knows?
That's absolutely beautiful.
What would your self-care or self-love routine look like on this Valentine's or maybe on any other day?
I feel like taking out time for yourself, maybe doing things that makes you feel good.
My self-care routine would be probably wake up, go get a nice breakfast and get my nails done.
I read a book, reread a book which I really like, or I treat myself with food that I love.
I would probably want to go on more movie dates alone, get more food, definitely get more flowers for myself.
I love spending time with myself.
Okay, so being single, I think I'll spoil myself this Valentine's by taking myself out on a date, a solo date, and get my nails done and do like a pamper routine.
Top thing that comes to my mind would be running. So I love to go on a good run.
Yeah.
And second would definitely be spending time with my friends and like good food, watching a movie. Yeah, I think these are the top things that I think of like caring for myself.
Yeah. Me, eating Maggi is like a treat. So I treat myself whenever I do self-care. That is something I do. Maybe hobbies, doing my hobbies is something that I believe in for self-care.
Apart from this, I love to do journaling, organizing myself. Yeah.
Include a mental win, a physical win, and something that I can write about, something that I feel really good when I go back to my bed and my partner at the end of the day.
I like dressing up, I like putting on makeup, doing skincare, spending like hours on that.
Maybe listening to music or watching the sunset is the way I prioritize myself.
And yeah, maybe dress up a little bit.
So I feel like that's my self-love, and that's what I would do to make myself feel better on Valentine's Day, even though I have a partner.
And you should do it even if it's not Valentine's Day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds very nice.
That's actually a really good way to practice self-love. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think that's really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
That sounds amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.